Hello financial fans, Feature Man Stocks is back. I will try to make a video every week if possible. This is a busy season, but maybe I'll squeeze in another video after this one before the year 2023 waves goodbye in the rear view mirror. I'm going to start by looking at the pages of Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is a place I always recommend. I do not get paid any money for advertising Yahoo, and I just like their pages. I have a brokerage account at a totally different company, and their pages are not as easy for those seeking to find information about individual stocks or exchange traded funds or anything of financial importance, including the news. We're going to begin by looking at some stocks to consider. Stocks to consider here at the end of 2023. We'll begin with Chevron Corporation. The symbol is CVX. Chevron Corporation. Look at the column on the left, about 2/3 of the way down. We see a 52-week range. It tells us that CVX has been as low as $140.72 and as high as $187.81 during the past 52 weeks, and right now it's about $150, $149.65 to be exact. The number on the left, 149.35, that's what it closed at on Friday, and then after hours it went up by about the same amount that it had closed at, but $149.65 is the price right now per share for Chevron CVX. And we look down at the volume. I always recommend you get a stock that has a volume, average volume of more than 1 million shares traded every day, and this stock has 10,551,435 shares trade on an average day. And this is considered by the experts who follow these numbers and compute them in various ways. This one is considered to be near fair value. Look at the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 11.09. That's slightly above 10. I like to get stocks that have a 10 or less PE ratio, but this is nice. And also I know what Chevron is, what it does. It's in the oil sector, of course. So right now, while oil prices are low, it's probably a good time to buy. You buy low, you sell high. PE ratio 11.09, no problems there. Then we look down at under that is the EPS, earnings per share. $13.47 was earned. Now they give out a dividend. The dividend is a little over 4%, and they use up $6.04 of their earnings to pay that dividend. But that's not a problem when you have earnings per share of $13.47. In other words, this stock looks pretty good. The one-year target estimate, $179.43 for Chevron. And if the oil sector should come back in a big way in 2024, anything is possible. It might go up, it might go down. Buy low, sell high. And CVX right now $149.65. Remember, any money you put in the stock market you can lose, and it is also true that every now and then somebody makes money in the stock market. Vanguard Russell 2000 Index Fund, VTWO, the symbol, that's the fund we're looking at right now. This is also an exchange traded fund, but it's 2,000 different companies, and the symbol VTWO closed at $79.66 per share, and then after hours went up to $80.13 per share, something to consider here. The year-to-date daily total return, about halfway down the middle column, year-to-date, 14.44%. If 4 is your lucky number, this might be the time to get in. The expense ratio 0.1, and that is a very good low expense ratio, worth studying and looking at and seeing. Do you want to get into the Russell 2000 index? This is the way you do it. And we'll take a look here at just one more stock. Instead of exchange traded fund, we'll take a look at a stock, and this is VZ, Verizon, and this is a telecommunications stock. $37.37. It was down on Friday, but it went back up 1 penny after hours to $37.38 per share. Look on the left hand side, and about 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range. $10.14 was the low and $42.58 was the high. It's now at $37.37. That looks so inviting there. They want you to spend money on this one. The volume, the average volume, 22, maybe 23 million shares trade every day on an average. And the PE ratio, third item down in the middle column, 7.52. That's well below the 10 that I like, and that's good. That's good. 7.52 is a good PE ratio. Earnings per share, $4.97, and they use $2.66 of that earnings to gather up a 7.12% dividend payout. That's very nice. 1 year target, $40.10. I wouldn't be surprised if it might even creep a little bit above that. And I hope this is helpful to you. I do recommend the pages at Yahoo. I do recommend studying stocks for at least a year before you invest any of your own money in it. And when you do invest, remember you can lose your investment. And I thank you very much for watching.